First, the most exciting features in DKIT Sport is the top-of-the-range gold standard equipment from Precor. Each machine features full access to the internet. Each machine features featured blogs where they update every week. You can also access Google's homepage, which is very exciting for us and our students here in DKIT. The new DKIT gym, based here in Dundalk, is one of the best in Ireland due to the equipment that's available on the gym floor, as well as our new strength and conditioning zone. It's top-of-the-range gold standard equipment that you won't see anywhere else.
McSport, we're hugely honoured to be involved with a development of this scale in Dundalk for DKIT. It's probably one of the biggest installations that's taken place in Ireland in the last 10 years. From the team training facility, which is a one of its kind in Ireland, there's absolutely everything here on site, from any team, be it a kind of a juvenile football team, soccer, GAA, rugby, right up to an elite international sports team that would be performing at the highest international standards.